What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another summer cocktail. So this is a nice quick easy one, nice and refreshing, and I will show you how to make it. It is the St Germain Spritz. So what it is, with it being a spritz, it's over the ice. So get your highball glass, fill it with ice like I have, and what we're going to do first is pour in the St Germain over the ice. So it's 40ml, which is 1.3 ounce of St Germain Elderflower liqueur. So if you've ever had it, it is a quality French liqueur, and it has that elderflower tasting notes. It's really, really nice, and I really recommend it. And what we're going to do now is top it up with Prosecco and sparkling water. Now the final thing is just top it up with sparkling water. I'm using San Pellegrino. Beautiful. So just to be clear, we've topped it up with 40ml of each. So what we're going to do is just give it a light stir now just to mix it in. And the final thing to do now is garnish it with 2 lemon slices. You can do a lemon twist if you wish, but I'm using 2 small lemon slices. And also an optional one you can use as a garnish, edible flower. And there we go, nice and quick, it's refreshing, it's simple, straight to the point, and it's a classic spritz cocktail. So that is the St Germain Spritz, easy as that, in there, easy to make. So that is my summer cocktail number 6 for 2023, the St Germain Spritz. How does it taste? It's nice and refreshing. So the thing that you can taste is like with the sparkling water and the Prosecco hitting first, but the first tasting note I get when it hits is the sparkling one. Then you can feel the elderflower tasting notes coming through as it seeps through the sparkling water, and then with the aftertaste of the Prosecco. But it's nice and crisp. Like I said, but on a nice summer hot day, it's nice and refreshing. It's one thing I will say. Elderflower liqueur, St Germain. You can't really go too wrong, especially if you want to go for if you want taste. Elderflower is your way to go. You can use it for gin and tonics. You can use it for many things, St Germain. But that, guys, is the St Germain Spritz. What do you think of it? Do let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I will be doing more summer cocktails, as my next cocktail video is going to be my 2K special. So I will be doing 5 summer cocktails you must try in celebration of my 2,000 subscribers special. But I've been Mixed. This has been the St Germain Spritz. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed for more summer cocktails like this, and I will see you guys for the next one. Cheers.